I've been teaching hair for a long time. I teach all the time, and you know what? I can boil it down to the top 10 questions people ask me all the time.
What can I do to keep my hair from changing color and looking dull, not shiny, in between color applications?
The first thing you can do to take care of your hair so that it will not turn color is to examine what are you using for shampoo and conditioner. If you have your hair colored in a salon, your colorist should provide you with information regarding the best shampoo and conditioner so that it doesn't change color. Like it or not, ultraviolet light, even if you walk down the street with no hat on, or you spend a great deal of time golfing or playing tennis or in the sun, the hair is going to lighten. So it's important to moisturize the hair, to refresh the hair. And by the way, for my clients, I prescribe an at-home, which I custom blend, color refreshing shampoo or a color refreshing conditioner that they use after every third or fourth shampoo.